welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator on Noobtastic 2. So right now, I have that. I have a lot of cool stuff, I guess. So a couple days ago, it was my birthday. And I got Robux for my first account, so that I can buy like stuff like this. But today, I'm going to attempt to go to the 10B gate and defeat the spider mantis and a rhino beetle. So first, defeating the spider might be easy for the first time because I don't have to hold a phone anymore. All I have to do is just run away from the spider. And I always forget I do not have the parachute right now. But it doesn't matter, because soon I will get the parachute. Oh, and there's another goal to at least do one of these badges and get the parachute. So yeah, honey badge, probably gonna be really easy. All I have to make is like 1,000,000 honey. Well, no, that's actually gonna take a while. That might actually take a while for me to get, but yeah. Okay, how many bees do I have? 7 of them, okay. And then
Jimmy, want to play?
I'm recording.
What?
I'm recording. Sorry, that was just my friend. He wants me to play his game right now. I'll play his game after I'm done with this video, but yeah, okay. Royal jelly on this basic. Honeybee, okay, yeah, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Then what does honeybee, okay, first of all, I think honeybee likes, yes. Oh well. Let's give my basic bee these. Basic bee these. My basic bee this. This. And this. And okay. Mother bear, okay. That's cool. Now today, well, not today, but in a different video today, I'm probably gonna test if I can switch accounts while recording without it having to kick me out of the recording, which will probably hive I should basically be by the time in my first account. That's the type of hive I should be in Nootastic Kingdom. Okay, so quests. Okay, I forgot. Cobweb Sweeper. So, okay, so let's collect some pollen from here. Now, I already know what this game is about. It's like just about like you just do quests and you make honey. You collect pollen and you make honey. You do quests. You do stick bug challenges, which I can't do at all in either of my accounts. You can do quests with bees, like I can with Bucklebee in my first account, and in my other account, I'm gonna be saving a bunch of honey for the porcelain Porto hive. So and I'm saving up on that because in my first account I realized since I have like I've discovered a bunch of event bees and 3 mythic bees. I'm actually making a lot of honey, so yeah, I might actually get the things that I want in my first account really quickly. So let's use this. Brave bee, okay. Anyway, so can't fire that because of course I've only discovered like a couple bees. That's all, like only discovered like 10 of them. I just need one more bee. Probably have enough. No. I just need a little bit more honey. Okay. Honeybee almost gave me enough honey, but yeah, no. It's not gonna happen that quickly. So maybe I have to, stick bug challenge. Of course I want a high score. I want high score. I know exactly how to make this. I'm trapped in this sticky thingy. Oh no, I'm dying. I'm dying. Bees, help, 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 bees, 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 help. Just help. Help me. Help me. Help me. Oh, that was close. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I almost died there. Yeah, probably have enough honey to do this. Yep, I do. at least some noobs are lucky enough to encounter a end game player or a person like me who likes to help noobs. Like even though I'm a blue backpacker, I'm pretty much the only people that I'm gonna steal from is like either the end game players or the late game, mid game, or even any and unless they're noobs, unless they're noobs like me, unless they only have stuff from this shop right there, I'm gonna steal from anybody that either has a sprout or has encountered a mythic meteor shower. Honeybee face is basically the troll face, but turned into Bee Swarm Simulator. That's basically what it is. It's the troll face, but in Bee Swarm Simulator. So, let's see what I get from this. How much honey I get. Hopefully I get enough to at least buy something from the Pro Bear shop. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay. Pretty good. Quests. Marshmallow bee. What does marshmallow? White pollen. Type +5 capacity. No. Capacity. Whatever it's called. Plus 50% of it. Oh, conversion rate. Okay, that's gonna be good. Then there's what should I use? Maybe gumdrops because I don't even need the gummy bee right now. I don't need the gummy bee until I have like 20 bees. At that time, then I should get gummy bee. If I don't have 20 bees, then yeah, no gummy bee. I think right now I'm really lucky right now because I have a blue bee, not a red bee. So I guess I'm actually well, except for the part where some of the colorless bees give me random stuff. Oh, okay. Well, that was basically a waste of a marshmallow bee, but I don't care. probably buy something from there now. Yeah. Yeah. So cool. Okay, so actually for real, I need to get some pineapples. That equals me having to get tickets. So maybe a brown bear quest. Brown bear quest. Brown bear quest. Brown bear. Yeah, I know. Strawberries. Oh, I can't get up there. I can't get up there. Oh, thank you, Rhino Beetle, for the honey. Okay, strawberry. Wait. Oh, yeah, it's because of the capsulity. Yeah, I get it. So, Spiderfield. Okay, this is actually really good. It's acting like a scythe, but I don't care. It's kind of acting like a scythe, but who even cares? So done. Instantly done. Ah! Okay. I actually regret being here right now. Ooh, at least I got good loot. Instead of the rare sprout? Where is it? Wait, where's the rare sprout? Please don't tell me that the glitch. Please don't tell me that it's the glitch again. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so it's somewhere over there. Okay. I really need to get there fast. Otherwise, probably someone's gonna steal it. Plus, it's right in the pineapple patch, I think. It's right in there. Yeah. I really need that sprout. Right in the pineapple patch. So, I think this actually might take a while. Well, yeah, this is gonna take a while. Okay, keep jumping. This is a glitch that I've heard of. Come on, bees. Please don't go away. Yeah! Easy. Now my bees can collect. Oh, and pink balloon. Pineapple! Yeah! Well, anyway, not gonna do one of these badges because they seem really hard for me right now. So yeah, guess this is gonna have to be the end of the video. I forgot all the other goals because it was a lot of them that I said. So, hope you had a good day. Bye.